Hello everyone, a warm welcome to the first session of Machine Learning with Python programming course. How are you guys? I hope everyone is fine and everyone is excited to learn the machine learning with the help of Python programming. Yeah. Before going to proceed with today's session, I hope you know the basic concept about the Python programming. Yeah. I hope you know that. Yeah. Because it's very important for you that you should know the basic concept of Python programming, such as how to write a program, how to display something, okay, what are the conditional statement, what are the data structure in Python programming, how can you read a data from the CSV file, what is NumPy. Yeah, I hope you know these things. Yes. Okay. But if you don't know anything about the Python programming, then I would recommend you, first of all, you should learn all the concept of Python programming, or at least the basic concept of Python programming, so that it is going to help you to understand the machine learning concept with the help of Python programming. Are you getting it? Yeah. But if you know the basic concept, if you have the clear understanding about Python programming, if you have the basic concept clear, okay, in that situation, you might be thinking, what about the advanced concept of Python? So don't worry. Whenever there is a concept comes, there is an advanced concept come during this course about a Python programming, then I will also going to explain that topic related with the Python or machine learning. Okay. So don't worry. But I hope you know the basic of Python programming. It is good if you know the basics of Python programming. But if you don't know anything, then I would recommend you, first of all, you please learn the basic concept of Python programming. Okay. Even if you know the basic concept of Python programming, then I'm sure you are going to learn machine learning with Python programming course from the first session till the last session, and you are going to enjoy this course. Okay. I'm 100% sure. Because in this course, I'm not just going to explain you or tell you the theoretical concept about the machine learning. The most important thing in this course, I'm going to show you the theoretical concept about a particular topic, as well as I'm going to show you how can you implement a machine learning topic with the help of Python programming, or you can say with the help of Python code. Are you getting it? Yeah. So we are going to see all the concept, all the topics of machine learning with theory concept, with practical concept, in which we are going to write a Python code related with the topic about a machine learning. Are you getting it? Yeah. So for example, in machine learning, let's suppose if you're learning regression or classification. So once we see what is regression, what is classification, once you understand the theoretical concept about it, then I'm also going to show you how can you write a Python code or Python programming related with that concept. Or you can say, how can you implement classification or regression with the help of Python programming. Got it? Yeah. So I hope you know the basic concept of Python programming so that you will learn, you will enjoy this course. Okay. Yeah. So let's start with this session, with the first session. So in this course, we are going to start with introduction to machine learning. Okay. By the way, do you know what is a machine learning? Does anyone know? Yeah. Okay. By the way, if you don't know anything about machine learning, so don't worry. In this session, we are going to see introduction part about machine learning. Now, let me show you what you are going to learn in our first session. So see here. First of all, you are going to understand, you are going to see what is a machine learning. Okay. Then the next point we will cover need for machine learning. You might be thinking why there is a need for a machine learning. Yeah. So what is the machine learning? Once you understand the concept of machine learning or the definition of machine learning, we are going to proceed with the next point, need for machine learning. And then we will see why and when to make machines learn. Okay. And then next we will see the challenges in machine learning. And finally, we are going to see the application of machine learning. Okay. Since this is our first session, so first of all, we are going to understand the theoretical concept about machine learning. Okay. And this is our first session, that is introduction to machine learning. So in this, we are going to see these topics that you can see here. What is machine learning? Need for machine learning. Why and when to make machines learn. And then challenges in machine learning. And finally, the application of machine learning. Okay. So don't worry, you are going to learn both theory session as well as the practical session. Okay. But as of now, let's start with the theory first. So let's start with the first point. What is a machine learning? So see here, machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from the experience without being explicitly programmed. Are you getting it? Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to learn and improve from the experience without being explicitly programmed. Are you getting it? So in short, you can say machine learning is an application of AI that provides the system the ability to automatically learn. The most important thing, the machine is going to learn automatically from the experience without being explicitly programmed. Okay. Now you might be thinking how the machine is going to learn. We are going to see that. Okay. So next thing is machine learning focus on development of computer programs that can access the data and use it learn for themselves. So this means machine learning. What is this machine learning? In which the system is going to learn automatically with the help of data. The most important thing. Okay. So in short, in simple way, you can say machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides the system the ability to automatically learn and improve from the experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access the data and use it, learn for themselves. Okay. Now let's see the next point. Machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that system can learn from data, identify the patterns, and make the decision with minimal human intervention. So you can also say that machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. Okay. And it is based on the idea that system can learn from the data, system can identify the patterns and make the decision with minimal human intervention. Got it? It covers the statistical part of artificial intelligence. It shows the PC to take care of issues by looking at hundreds or thousands of models, gaining from them, and afterwards utilizing that experience to take care of a similar issue in a new circumstance. Okay. Are you getting it? It shows the PC to take care of issues by looking at hundreds or thousands of models, gaining from them, and afterwards utilizing that experience to take care of similar issues in new circumstance. Yeah. The term machine learning was coined by Arthur Samuel in 1959, an American pioneer in the field of computer gaming and artificial intelligence and stated that it gives computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Are you getting it? Yeah. The term machine learning was coined by the Arthur Samuel in the year 1959, an American pioneer in the field of computer gaming and artificial intelligence. And he stated that it gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Okay. And then in the year 1997, Tom Michael gave a well-posed mathematical and relational definition that a computer program is said to learn from the experience E with respect to some task T and some performance measure P. If its performance on T as measured by P improves with experience E. Yeah. So you might be confused. I think you might be confused with the definition which is provided by the Tom Michael. What is the definition here? Yeah. Tom Michael gave a well-posed mathematical and relational definition about a machine learning. What is that? A computer program is said to learn from the experience E with respect to some task T and some performance measures P if its performance on T as measured by P improves with experience E. Okay, this is the definition given by Tom Michael in the year 1997. Okay, the above definition is basically focuses on three parameters, also the main component of any learning algorithms, namely task, performance, and experience. Yeah, you can see the definition. Yeah, this definition defined by the Tom Michael about the machine learning. Yeah, Tom Michael gave a well-posed mathematical and relational definition about a machine learning. So you read it here again. A computer program is said to learn from the experience E with respect to some task T and some performance measure P if its performance on T as measured by P improves with experience E. Okay, so this definition mainly focuses, or you can say the main three components about this definition are, you can see task is there, experience E is there, and performance measure P is also there. Yeah. So you can say that this definition is basically focusing on three parameters, also the main component of any learning algorithm, namely task, performance, and experience. In this context, we can simplify this definition as machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence consisting of learning the algorithms that improve their performance at executing some task over time with experience. Are you getting it? So we can simplify this definition. Which definition? Which is given by Tom Michael. How we can simplify it? We can simplify it as machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence consisting of a learning algorithms that improves their performance at executing some task over time with experience. Are you getting it? So machine learning is a field of AI consisting of learning algorithms that improve their performance P at executing some task T over time with experience E. Okay. Now let me explain you each of these components in brief. What is task, what is experience, what is performance. So see here. Let us discuss them more in detail now. So first thing is task. From the perspective of a problem, we may define the task T as the real world problem to be solved. The problem can be anything like finding the best house price in a specific location or to find the best marketing strategy, etc. A task T is said to be a machine learning based task when it is based on the process and the system must follow for operating on the data points. The example of machine learning based tasks are classification, regression, structured annotation, clustering, transcription, etc. Are you getting it? So, what is a task? From the perspective of the problem, we may define the task T as the real world problem to be solved. The problem can be anything like finding the best house price in a specific location or to find the best marketing strategy, etc. A task T is said to be a machine learning based task when it is based on the process and the system must follow for operating on data points. The example of machine learning based tasks are classification, regression, structured annotation, clustering, transcription, etc. So you might be thinking, what is this classification? What is this regression? What is this clustering? So don't worry, in our later session, we are going to learn all the theory about these points, about these topics. We are going to learn the theory as well as we are also going to learn how can you write the program with the help of Python programming about regression, classification, clustering, etc. Okay, how can you write the program that will implement the regression, classification, clustering, etc. with the help of Python programming. Okay. Now let's see the next point. Experience. Okay. As the name suggests, it is the knowledge gained from the data points provided to the algorithm or model. Once provided with dataset, the model will learn iteratively and will learn some inherent pattern. The learning thus acquired is called experience. Are you getting what is experience here? Yeah, what is experience in case of machine learning? As name suggests, it is the knowledge gained from the data points provided to the algorithm or model. Once provided with the dataset, the model will learn iteratively and will learn some inherent pattern. The learning thus acquired is called experience. Okay. Now, the third component is performance. Okay. So we are discussing three important parameters or three important component which is present. Okay, which is present or which is defined by the Tom Michael. Yes, the Tom Michael gave us a very good definition about machine learning. So that definition mainly focus on three parameters: task, experience, and performance. So we have seen task and experience. Now let's see what is performance. A machine learning algorithm is supposed to perform tasks and gain experience with the passage of time. The measure which tells whether the machine learning algorithm is performing as per the expectation or not is its performance. Are you getting it? The measure which tells whether the machine learning algorithm is performing as per the expectation or not is its performance. P, performance, is basically a quantitative metric that tells how a model is performing the task T using its experience E. Got it? So I hope you understand the three important component or parameters. Yeah. First one is task, experience, and performance. Yeah, these three important components are there. Okay, where? In a definition of machine learning defined by Tom Michael, right? Now let's see the next point about machine learning. In simple words, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that extract pattern out of raw data by using an algorithm or method. The main focus of machine learning is to allow computer system learn from the experience without being explicitly programmed or human intervention. Are you getting it? In simple word, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that extract the pattern out of raw data by using an algorithm or method. The main focus of machine learning is to allow computer system learn from the experience without being explicitly programmed or human intervention. Got it? So till now we have seen more details about much more topic, much more point about machine learning. Yes. So what is the machine learning? The first thing we have seen about machine learning. Yeah. We have seen this one. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from the experience without being explicitly programmed. You can say this one. Yeah, if anyone asks you what is machine learning, you can say this one. Yeah, even you can say this one also. Machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. Or you can also say machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that system can learn from the data, system can identify the patterns and make decision with minimal human intervention, with minimum or minimal human intervention. Okay, and you can also say, as per the term Michael, what is a machine learning? A computer program is said to learn from the experience E with respect to some task T and some performance measure P. If its performance on T as measured by P improves with experience E. And then seen the we also have seen this definition of machine learning, which is defined by term Michael in detail. What is task, what is experience, what is performance? Yes. And in simple term, you can finally say machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that extract the pattern out of raw data by using an algorithm or method. The main focus of machine learning is to allow the computer system learn from experience without being explicitly programmed or human intervention. Got it? So I hope now you understand what is machine learning. Now let's proceed to the next point. Need for machine learning. You might be thinking why there is a need for machine learning. So let's start with that. So let's see that human beings at this moment are the most intelligent and advanced species on earth because they can think, evaluate and solve the complex problems. Yeah. So we are the most intelligent and advanced species on the earth because we can think, we can evaluate, and we can also solve the complex problems. On the other side, artificial intelligence is still in its initial stage and have not surpassed human intelligence in many aspects. Then the question is that what is the need to make the machine learn? Yeah, the question is that what is the need to make machine learn? The most suitable reason for doing this is to make the decision based on the data with efficiency and scale. Yeah. So you might be thinking, what is the need to make machine learn? So the most suitable reason for doing this is to make the decision based on the data with efficiency and scale. Okay. So in order to make the decision based on the data with efficiency and scale, there is a need to make machine learn. Okay. Okay. Next thing is lately organization are investing heavily in newer technology like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning to get the key information from data to perform several real-world tasks and solve the problem. We can call it data-driven decision taken by the machines, particularly to automate the process. This data-driven decision can be used instead of using the programming language. Okay, this data-driven decision can be used instead of using programming logic in the problems that cannot be programmed inherently. The fact is that we can't do without human intelligence, but other aspect is that we all need to solve real world problem with efficiency at a huge scale. And that is why the need for a machine learning arises. Are you getting it? Yes. So I hope you understand now why there is a need for machine learning. Yes. Now let's proceed with the next point. Why and when to make machines learn. We have already discussed the need for machine learning, but another question arises that in what scenario we must make the machine learn. There can be several circumstances where we need machines to take data-driven decisions with efficiency and at a huge scale. Okay. So there can be several circumstances where we need machines to take data-driven decisions with efficiency and at a huge scales. The following are some of such circumstances where making machine learn would be more effective. Okay, so we are going to see some of the circumstances where making the machine learn would be more effective. So first one is lack of human expertise. Okay, the very first scenario in which we want a machine to learn and take data-driven decision can be the domain where there is a lack of human expertise. The example can be navigation in unknown territories or special planets. Are you getting it? In this scenario, which scenario? Lack of human expertise. So the very first scenario in which we want a machine to learn and take data-driven decision can be the domain where there is a lack of human expertise. The example can be navigation in unknown territories or special planets. Okay. Now next scenario is dynamic scenarios. There are some scenarios which are dynamic in nature. That is, they keep changing over a period of time. In case of these scenarios and behaviors, we want a machine to learn and take the data-driven decisions because it's a dynamic scenario. Okay, so there are some scenarios which are dynamic in nature. That is, they keep changing over a period of time. In case of these scenarios and behaviors, we want a machine to learn from the data and take data-driven decisions. Some of the examples can be network connectivity and availability of infrastructure in an organization. Okay. Okay, now next circumstance is difficulty in translating the expertise into computational tasks. There can be a various domains in which humans have their expertise. However, they are unable to translate this expertise into computational tasks. In such circumstances, we want machine learning. The example can be the domain of speech recognition, cognitive tasks, etc. Got it? So we have seen three different scenarios where we want to make machine learns. Okay, and then take a data-driven decision. Yeah. Got it? So lack of human expertise, dynamic scenario, and then difficulty in translating expertise into computational tasks. So in these scenarios, the machine is going to play important role. Now let's proceed with the next point. Challenges in machine learning. Okay, now let's see what are the challenges. While machine learning is rapidly evolving, making a significant strides with cybersecurity and autonomous cars, this segment of artificial intelligence as whole still has a long way to go. The reason behind is that machine learning has not been able to overcome number of challenges. Okay, the challenges that machine learning is facing currently are, first one is quality of data. Having good quality of data for machine learning algorithm is one of the biggest challenges. Okay, having good quality of data for machine learning algorithm is one of the biggest challenges. Use of low quality data leads to the problems related to data pre-processing and feature extraction. Okay, so this is one of the challenge in machine learning. Let's see the next one. Time consuming tasks. Another challenge faced by the machine learning model is the consumption of time, especially for data acquisition, feature extraction, and retrieval. Okay, so this is another challenge faced by the machine learning model. Okay, what is that? Time consuming task. So it is taking much more time for data acquisition, feature extraction, and retrieval. Yeah. Next one is lack of specialist person. As machine learning technology is still in its infancy stage, availability of expert resources is a tough job. Okay. Next challenge is no clear objective for formulating the business problems. Having no clear objective and well-defined goal for business problem is another key challenge for machine learning because this technology is not that mature yet. Okay. Okay, what is the next challenge here? Issue of overfitting and underfitting. If the model is overfitting or underfitting, it cannot be represented well for the problem. So you might be thinking what is overfitting and what is underfitting. In our later session, we are also going to see that with the theory part, with the practical part. Okay, so don't worry. What is the next challenge here? Course of dimensionality. Another challenge machine learning model faces is too many features of data points. This can be a real hindrance. Okay, and the next challenge is difficulty in deployment. Complexity of the machine learning models make it quite difficult to be deployed in a real life. Got it? So these are the challenges in machine learning. Yeah. So we have seen, I think, 7 or 8 challenges. Yeah, the challenges that is faced by the machine learning currently. Okay. Now let's see the next point. The final point, applications of machine learning. Machine learning is the most rapidly growing technology, and according to the researchers, we are in a golden era of artificial intelligence and machine learning. So it's good news for us. Yeah, it's obviously a good news. If you are learning the machine learning, if you are becoming expertise in that, I'm sure you are going to get a very good career start. And I'm also sure that you're going to get a very good job with a good salary. Yeah, because machine learning is most rapidly growing technology. And according to the researcher, we are in a golden period, or you can say we are in a golden year of AI and machine learning. It is used to solve many real world complex problems which cannot be solved with traditional approaches. Okay. Following are the some real world application of machine learning. So see, these are the application of machine learning. First one is emotion analysis. Next application of machine learning is sentiment analysis. Okay. And the next one is error detection and prevention. Okay. Machine learning is also useful in weather forecasting and prediction. That's also very good. Yeah. Next thing is stock market analysis and forecasting. Yeah. That is a very good, or I can say it's a best real world application, because machine learning play a very important role in stock market analysis and forecasting. Next one is speech synthesis. That is also one of the application of machine learning. Now next thing is speech recognition. Next thing is customer segmentation, and then object recognition, fraud detection, fraud prevention. Yeah, all these are the application of machine learning. Next application you can see recommendation of products to the customer in online shopping. Okay, let's suppose if you would like to buy a mobile phone. Okay, suppose you visit a website amazon.com. Okay, you look for a mobile as per your requirement. After that, you close the website amazon.com, and then you started your work, some other work. Now, if you are visiting some website, you might going to get some advertisement related to the mobile that you have seen. How it is possible? It is possible with the help because of machine learning. Yeah, because one of the application of machine learning is recommendation of a product to the customer in online shopping. Are you getting it? So that is also one of the best application of machine learning. Yeah, it is going to recommend a product to the customer in online shopping based on his interest. Next is traffic alerts, and then social media. In social media, automatic friend tagging suggestion. I hope you know the Facebook. Yeah, I hope you know the Facebook. So whenever you use a Facebook, I'm sure you are getting some friend suggestion. Yeah, how it is possible? Yeah, because of machine learning. Because one of the application of machine learning in social media is automatic friend tagging suggestion. Yeah. So in Facebook, you are going to get, do you know so and so? Do you know so and so? So if you know the person, you will confirm it as a friend. You will confirm him or her as a friend. Yeah. So automatic friend tagging suggestion in social media is also possible with the help of machine learning. Okay. Now next thing is transportation and commuting. In transportation and commuting, again machine learning play important role. And then next one is self-driving cars, dynamic pricing, Google Translate. Okay, Google Translate is also important. Yeah, that is also one of the application of machine learning. And finally, online video streaming, that is Netflix. And also there are many applications of machine learning. So we have seen some of the most important applications of machine learning. Yes. So some real world application of machine learning in Google Translate, dynamic pricing, self-driving cars, online video streaming, transportation and commuting. Yeah, social media, fraud detection, fraud prevention, customer segmentation, object recognition. Yeah, recommendation of products to the customer in online shopping. Yeah, and then stock market analysis and forecasting, weather forecasting and prediction, error detection and prevention. All these are the important applications of machine learning. Yeah, got it? So finally, I hope you have understand the first session of introduction to the machine learning. Yes, in which I hope you have understand what is machine learning, need for machine learning, why and when to use machine learning, the challenges in machine learning, and finally the applications of machine learning. Yeah. So I hope you understand all the theoretical point of our first session. Okay. So in our later session, we are going to understand the practical point also. Okay. Since this was our first session, so we have only taken the theory part. So I hope you understand all the points clearly. Yeah. So thank you very much for attending the first session. I hope you will join my next session. Have a good day. Bye bye.